My last video got 8 new subscribers, so to the new subscribers, welcome to my channel. My last video was talking about lifted vans, and here's some lifted vans right here, 4 of them. Weldtec lift, action van, Weldtec. So the 2 action vans are in the middle. Weldtec. And then we got an action van there. We got another action van right here. And then here's the other Weldtec. So 4 lifted vans in one spot. That's the most ever in one spot. We've always had a combination of like 2 lifted vans in a stock, or a spacer lifted one when he had a spacer, or we had 3 lifted vans in a stock. We got 4 in one spot. That's a majestic sight right there. So yeah, welcome new subscribers. I look forward to interacting with all of you and maybe seeing you guys at one of these meets one day. Someday there will be 20 of these things lined up. We're about to hit the trails right now. Flying J lifted van crew and a lowrider. What's going on with this lowrider here? Something special going on with this lowrider. Look at that fender and that roof there.